Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today let us see how to make vegetable chili milli. There are many versions of vegetable chili milli. This is our take on it. And without much ado, let us begin how to see this awesome recipe. Friends, subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen. Press the bell icon to receive notifications from us as soon as we post a video. Here we have taken 3 cups thinly sliced cabbage. This is 1 cup thinly sliced bell pepper, and these are just big green chillies. These are known as bhavnagari mirchi here in Mumbai. These are optional. We have taken 5 of them, and these are 2 green chillies which we have thinly sliced. 1 cup beans chopped. 1 cup thinly sliced carrot or gajar, and 1 cup green peas or mutton. These are the main ingredients. There are so many other ingredients. We are going to see them along the way as we do the recipe. And now here we have soaked 1 cup badam or almonds in hot water for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we have peeled off the skin of the badam or almonds and taken them in a mixer jar, and adding little water, we have ground to a paste like this. Now we have heated a pan and we are adding in 3 tablespoons oil. You can add any vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, let us add 1 bay leaf or tej patta, which is broken into 2, and 1 cinnamon stick broken into 2, and that is 1 mace or javitri strand, 3 green cardamoms or elaichi, and these are 3 cloves or lavang and 3 peppercorns or kali mirch. We have given all the ingredients in the description box, and these are 2 medium sized onions that we have chopped roughly. Now let us give this a good stir on medium heat until the onions turn golden in color. Now the onions have turned golden in color. Let us add in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Stir for about a minute. And then now let us add in 15 cashew nuts. These come to around 3 tablespoon cashew nuts. Mix well and stir. And now let us add in 1 tablespoon poppy seeds or couscous. Again mix well and give it a stir. Stir for half a minute and then add 2 green chillies that we had slit thin. Continue to mix well and stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi powder. Now let us add in 4 red chillies which we have broken. We have used bedgi mirchi. This is 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder or dhania powder. And now we have added in 3 big tomatoes that we have chopped roughly. Let's give it a stir. We are going to stir this for 2 minutes now, and then cover it and cook it for 5 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft. And even as we cover and cook, we are going to open it intermittently and maybe add a little bit of water to the tomatoes. Now let us cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let us check on the tomatoes. Our tomatoes are well cooked now. They have turned soft. Now we are adding in 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Mix well and stir for a minute. And now we have switched off the flame, and now let this masala cool. We have taken this in a mixer jar and we are going to grind it to a smooth paste like this. Now let us heat a pressure pan and add 3 tablespoons butter to it. You can use oil if you want, but butter gives an awesome taste. Now, do not let this butter melt totally. As soon as it heats up, add only the beans now, only the chopped beans now. Because beans is going to take time to cook, we are going to cook the beans first. Stir it well for 2 minutes and close the pressure cooker. Put the lid on and now listen carefully. Do not allow whistles. Just let the pressure build up and open the pressure cooker. Our beans is now half cooked. Remember, we have not allowed any whistle. Now we have heated the gas again and added 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi. And now let us add in the big green chilies. Now add in the rest of the vegetables slowly. We are going to add it in installments. We have added the cabbage now. Mix well and stir for about a minute. Now let us add a little bit of the ground masala. 1 portion of the ground masala. This way the masala will get infused well into the vegetables. Mix and stir well for about 2 minutes. And now let us add in the chopped carrots, green peas, green chilies that we slit, bell peppers, and the rest of the cabbage. Again mix well and give it a stir. It's very important that you do this. And now let us add in the remaining masala. A little bit more is left. So this way we are infusing the masala bit by bit into the vegetables. Now we have stirred well for 2 minutes. Added salt. And now finally we are adding in all the masala. And some water also. Don't add too much water because cabbage anyway will also leave off some water. And we want a nice gravy. If you add too much water, the gravy won't be thick. Add as much water as you feel is necessary. Add a little bit of sugar. We added about half teaspoon. Some more water. Now let us close the pressure pan. We have put the lid and weight on, and again we are not going to allow any whistles. As soon as the pressure builds up, we switch. Now the pressure is gone. So let us open the pressure cooker. We can see that our vegetables are so well cooked, yet they have retained their shape without getting all mashed up. This is because we have not allowed any whistle, and these vegetables are vegetables which get cooked easily. So now let us switch on the flame again, and now let us add the almond paste that we had made, the badam paste that we had made. At this juncture, instead of this, you can also replace the badam paste with cream of milk or paneer. But this also tastes awesome. We prefer it this way. It's lighter on the stomach. Now let us add 1 teaspoon amchur powder or dry mango powder. Mix well and give it a stir for just a minute. And now we have switched off the flame. Let us garnish with some coriander leaves. Now our vegetable chili milli is all done. Doesn't it look awesome? Let us serve this now. You can have it with rotis or rice. Wow, just look at that. Do give this a try. This is a wonderful way to make cabbage along with other vegetables. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon with another one. Bye.